This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on the Brave web browser using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now and I have the Brave web browser opened up. To enable or disable dark mode on the Brave browser, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the three-dot menu. You want to tap on that. Then you want to scroll down a little ways to where you see it says All Settings. Tap on All Settings. Then you will scroll down to where you see the display area. And the second thing down there, Appearance, you want to tap on Appearance. And right up top here, it gives you three choices: automatic, light, or dark. I'm going to tap on dark. Now I have went to dark mode. But that is how you enable or disable dark mode on the Brave web browser using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.